Hey guys, so people keep asking me what happened to Elon's wig. Well, the truth is nothing happened to it. We never left. We just took a break from all the promoting. After all the drama and accusations flying around, we just decided to take a step back from all the noise. And I personally took a step back from X altogether, because this isn't about chasing attention. It's about building something real, something that lasts. Now, for those who don't know, Elon's wig is a meme token that I created on the Cronos chain. And from day one, there was no insider allocations, no VC funding, no shady launches, just a fair start and a community power project. Now, we did hit a $200,000 market cap early on, purely from organic support. Eventually things slowed down, some people sold, the attention shifted, and we let it breathe. We weren't here to force the hype, we were here to build. And now with the right pieces in place, we're getting ready for the next chapter, WIG 2.0. So right now, WIG is still extremely undervalued. You can pick up 500,000 tokens for less than $10. That's how early we still are with this project. There's massive room to grow, and we're just starting to rebuild momentum. Now, you can currently buy WIG on VVS Finance and WolfSwap. These are our current trading platforms, and we're actively working to secure listings on more exchanges as we grow. Behind the scenes, we brought on a brand new experienced developer, someone who knows exactly how to take WIG to the next level. And that's what we've been missing before. The team has always been public, always been transparent. You've always had me front and center since day one, but now we've got the tech side of things covered too. So the new website is already in development. It shouldn't be too long before that launches, and it won't just be a landing page, it'll be a hub for the WIG community. Now, one of the biggest features that we're building into it is weekly airdrops and giveaways exclusively for WIG holders. And these won't just be from us, they'll come straight from partnerships with other meme projects as well. Now, we're actively networking and forming connections to bring added value to the people who believe in this project. There's no staking, no jumping through hoops, just hold WIG and you'll be eligible. Each week we'll be dropping tokens from projects that we believe in straight into the hands of WIG holders. So we're also setting clear, achievable goals, starting with a $50,000 market cap. When we hit that, the first community giveaway goes live. Then we move to 100K, 200K and beyond. And with every milestone, the rewards will get bigger. And through all of this, the team remains exactly the same, fully public, fully accountable, no hidden wallets. Just real people building something that we believe in with the community at the center of it. Elon's WIG is resurging, the memes are flowing again, the market cap is climbing, and the energy is real. This isn't just another flash in the pan project. This is the comeback, and we're doing it in style, we're doing it the right way. Now, if you've been watching from the sidelines, this is your moment. So you can buy now on VVS or WolfSwap, hold WIG, get access to exclusive airdrops and giveaways, be part of something that rewards people who stick around, because we're not done yet, we're just getting started. So come join the WIG party, it'll be great to have you on board.